Hold on, we found a buggy in Wyatt's sandbox.
Yep.
It's a centipede.
It's
I'm
coming
pretty
out.
sure.
It's coming out.
It's coming out?
It is the centipede.
Yeah, I think so. Look how cool that is, kids. Is it tickle?
Yeah.
Ah!
You know, on one hand,
No, not really.
you want to be let go?
You wanna let him go?
Hey, guys. Be let go. Go free. Go free.
Here, you need help? Here. Put him down. I'll flick him off, yeah.
Make sure he's not upside down. On his little legs.
Goodbye, little centipede.
Goodbye.
Even though he's going towards your sandbox.
Yeah. Maybe the sun accidentally raised it up in the sky.
Right.
And then
I think,
it got that there.
yeah, I think that maybe he likes to live under there because it's nice and dark and cold. And sometimes even a little wet. Those kind of bugs like cold and wet stuff.
In dark places.
Yeah.
But anyways.
What are we doing today?
We're doing a Home Depot.
Home Depot. That's what Wyatt wants to call it. It's a construction truck sandbox day, right? Right.
Do
Okay.
you remember where we was at the park with the other sand? This is sand too.
Yeah.
Only that sand was wet and this one's kind of wet but it's dry.
Yeah, and it's a lot cleaner too.
And there's
White
a bug.
sand.
And there's a buggy right
Yep.
there.
Here's the buggy.
Yeah. Okay, kids, let's find some things.
Find some
And
things.
something's hard. Maybe not there. Yeah, it really is hard. I mean the big guy.
What is this, Wyatt? Is it a
Big
snake? What is that?
It's a snake car.
It's a snake car? Let me see. Wow, how did that get in your construction site, Wyatt?
Buggy. Come on,
The buggy again?
yeah.
There's the buggy. Bye-bye, buggy. How did this get in your construction site, Wyatt?
Maybe a car crashed into it.
Yeah. Maybe. Maybe it was like on a racetrack and then it accidentally crashed into the sandbox. Yeah.
We gotta find something else.
Gotta find something else.
Right here.
It looks like there's some plants right there.
Nothing get there. How far down Depot bucket? Where's the buggy? Where's the buggy? Oh, the buggy's under. It's going under my sandbox.
Bye. I told you that bugs like it down there. If we picked up the sandbox, I bet you we'd find a whole bunch of bugs. You want to do that when we're done playing with constructions? Yeah? Okay.
Okay, let's go back to digging.
Back to digging. Did you find anything else yet?
Nope.
Nope.
Saw some prints.
Let's find some stuff.
Oh, I see something. Oh yeah, it's really hard. I think I need big blades. Yeah, I cleared it. Oh my god, I didn't clear it. Maybe the bigger blade, big blades. There we go. Here. Nope, that's just our ground.
Oh, you didn't find anything? Just the ground?
Yep.
What is in your sandbox?
What is
That
that?
stuff out of there. I don't know. It might just be like leaves or something, but
Yeah. Well, I feel something really hard. And let me dig it out. Wait, I feel something. Yeah, I do.
what did you find?
What? A rock?
A rock?
Yeah, a rock.
Whoa, let me see. Let me see the rock. Ooh, that's a
Nice.
treasury rock.
And shiny, right?
Nice and shiny and polka dotty, sort of.
Yeah.
All right.
Look at it. gets pretty crammed in this area right here.
What's this shiny thing over there, Wyatt? Do you see something shiny behind you? What is that?
Yeah?
Yeah, what is it? Dig it up, see what it is.
It's one of my magnet balls.
One of your magnet balls? Let me see. Wow, cool. Magnet balls.
Okay, kids.
Next one.
It's scruffy. Wait.
What is this?
It's a shell.
A shell? Wow, that's really cool. Only there was a hole. Your crabbies might like it.
Yeah, but Pearly could fit in it.
No, probably not. That's a little too long. You need like a round one for crabs.
But no, Mom, look how small that hole is.
Yeah, but Pearly can't fit in there. He's a big crab.
Yeah. Mom,
I think there was something else hidden over here.
Mom, dig right.
Ooh, there's a shell.
Here, Mom, dig right in the middle.
Right here? Okay, here I go.
Deep enough, deep enough, deep enough, deep enough.
Ooh, I found a green rock. That's cool.
Oh my God, look at oh my gracious. Look at the Home Depot hole.
The Home Depot hole. Oh man, that's pretty awesome.
It says, yeah, my blade's meant to be awesome.
Yeah?
That's what it said. Are one of those bugs? What?
Another bug?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
It's the other one. It could be like its brother.
His brother, or its sister, or its friend. Maybe it's his mother.
Yeah, because it looks pretty longer.
Yeah, is it bigger than the other one? Let me see. Yeah. Cool. You alright? You want to let him go?
Slimy.
Maybe. Is he slimy?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's coming out, it's coming out. Oh, it's coming out. Oh, look how long that one is now. Look how long that is.
Oh my goodness.
Look at
So cool.
all the legs.
How many legs does he have? Like 1 billion?
Yep.
You want to let him go?
No, let's compare him to my backhoe.
Your backhoe?
My backhoe's way. No,
Did you give him a kiss, Wyatt?
pretend one.
A pretend kiss?
Yeah.
Aw.
There it is. Wow, they can flip all by themselves really easily.
Really easily flip.
Got him go. Once. I feel something in the Home Depot. It's time for my big bucket. And it's a bigger shell.
Ooh, a big shell. Wow.
Oh. How did I get there?
Oh, I put that there. Where
Oh. Hi, Luca.
are you going to put them? Right there with your other things? Wow. I think that there's a sharp one in here. What is this doing in here? Is this a popsicle stick?
Yes.
What did you find, Wyatt?
A toilet.
Oh, it's a golden leaf.
Shiny leaf.
A shiny golden leaf. Hooray! We're gonna go digging.
I feel a big thing right here. I can't hold deep it right here. Wait a second, I feel something. I feel, ready? No. Ready? No.
What's this? Ooh, it's an arrowhead.
Yes, we're from the Indians to
Hunt. And cut ropes and stuff.
Yes.
And cut up their food. That was like their knives. You want to put it with the other stuff? Alright, let's keep looking.
Well, I found a teeny tiny rock.
I did too. Well, it's not that teeny tiny, but where's the thing that we were looking for?
Rock. Oh, I see it.
Oh,
kids.
Oh, there it is. Look what we found.
Any sand?
Oh, we can put that in. Where can we put that, Wyatt?
In my crab.
In your crab cage. Let's go put it in the crab cage.
Yep. Here's my crab.
Here's your crab's cage. All right, let's check it out.
Does this look new?
Is a cucumber in there?
No, cucumber's behind those leaves in his normal shell I'm supposed to be in.
Yeah, cucumber likes to move shells a lot. Not Pearly though.
Yeah, him likes his shell.
All right, you want to put the shell in there?
Hold. Wait.
There it goes. Now they've got a new shell that they can play with. Which one's this one?
Cucumber.
Cucumber. You want to sit him on the top of the cage? See if he comes
Don't
out.
come out. 3, 4, 5, 6. He's coming out.
You think he's gonna come out?
Yep.
I don't know. He looks pretty scared.
Mhm.
Hold your hand out flat.
Leave him alone. Does he mind go? Come on. You feel it? It's coming out.
Runaway crab.
I think cucumber wants to go in this one. It's good.
I don't know where Pearly is.
Maybe in the shell. I mean, not in the shell. Here. I think probably moved out of the shell.
Maybe, I don't know.
We've been struggling for the rest of the week, right?
Right.
Right, I got a new shell.
Right. Okay, you want to go back to your sandbox construction? Okay.
They are stocked.
Building, 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 building.
Wow, I got a lot of stuff.
Lots of stuff. Filling that truck up with sand. Pat, pat, pat.
This is asphalt.
Is that asphalt? Do any of these make noise? I thought this one did.
Huh?
No, this one doesn't. There's one like this one that makes noise, but not this one. All full?
Not full yet.
One more scoop. Is it good? All right. Is it gonna dump somewhere? You should dump it over here.
It dumps right here. It doesn't want to dry because guess what?
What?
It doesn't have that much gas.
Oh, okay.
Out of his gas.
Okay.
Well, not all of his gas.
Just like most of it.
It doesn't have that gas. It has this much gas.
How much gas?
Yes.
Just a little tiny bit?
Yep. And his little container in his own truck.
Okay.
So then should turn off his keys.
You need to turn off his keys?
Turn off his keys.
Yeah. You gonna dump it?
Yep. Everything's gonna be done after this load. Then should go back on to stop. On stop. On stop.
All right. Want to tell the kids bye?
Bye.
Say thanks for watching the Wyatt Show.
Thanks for watching the Wyatt Show.
Oh my goodness.